Hi everyone and welcome to SoundBlab. In my previous build video, the suspended speakers in a copper pipe frame, see the link top right, I used the router template to cut corners on a flat MDF sheet material. I want to do a quick review of this product, so stay tuned. Banggood.com sent me these router templates that they call by a very long and potentially unnecessary descriptive name of 2 pieces wood panel radius quick jig router table bits jig corner template kit. Well, despite the long name, these things are quite useful and I will go over it quickly before showing you how to use them. These are very well made of solid aluminium, most likely machined and then given an anodized protective surface in red. They also come in a plastic box with foam inserts for storage and to protect them when not in use. I did notice a ding or two on one of the jigs, but it was not on any of the key surfaces that will influence the quality of my cut. But better quality control in the factory where they are made could be nice. The jigs are best used with a flush cut router bit on a router table, and their purpose is to cut round corners on wood sheet material. The thickness of the material that you can cut will depend on the depth of the flush cut router bit you choose. The jigs cover a radius of 10, 15, 20 and 30 millimeters. These are great if you are looking for a quick way to cut a radius on any of these 4 dimensions. Obviously the limitations are that they are not adjustable, so you are however stuck with the 4 dimensions on offer. Will I recommend these? Yes, they do the job intended, and I would not have been able to easily make and build the design of the suspended speakers if I did not have these. I'm sure these will come in handy also in future builds. But let's move over to the router table and see how these work. Now that we're here over at the router table, I'm making sure that my flush trim router bit is set at the right height so that the bearing just runs on the template itself. After setting the router bit depth, I just run the template and the material across the router bit. You'll see here that I started off using the 20mm radius. I wanted to end off using the 30mm radius. The reason why I'm cutting the 21st is just removes a little bit more of the material and it prevents any little small pieces flying around if I'm cutting off too much of the material at one time. As you can see, this cut came out great. Everything's nice and flush and it really cuts a nice corner. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick review video. I will put an affiliate link to these jigs in the description below. Please click on it and support my channel. This really helps me to keep going. I'm going to try do a few more of these review videos in future. Let me know if you found this useful. If you want to support me further, please consider becoming a patron on Patreon. Click that subscribe button below if you have not done so already, and visit my website where you will find build plans for purchase on some of the projects on my channel. So until next time, adios.